Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you an amazing method slash meditation slash super powerful magic wand in your life that could help you achieve every dream of your life fast and easy while you're having fun. This is an ultimate method that I'm showing you here, and it has been working for so many people throughout the generations, and it's super powerful. So this method is made out of 3 different steps, which are super powerful. All the 3 steps are important for you. You have to do them all perfectly, but the last one is actually my favorite because I enjoy doing it so much. So stick to the end of the video and learn it all and do it for yourself and see the magic for yourself. At the end, after I'm done giving you the method, I'm also going to give you another method that's could be combined with this one, and it could somehow amplify the power of this method, and it could bring more magic into your life. So stick around because this video is about to change your life, and I'm not kidding. Just watch it. It's worth your time. Watch it to the end. Now, before I start giving you the method, I'm going to give you a warning because I know so many people, when they hear about the unique manifestation methods that I do in my life and I share with my people, they think it's somehow some kind of woo-woo magic that could be like a crazy thing out of this world. It is not. I do not do any kind of magics, but I do work with a lot of unique methods. And that's the reason, because it's new for so many people, because it's not familiar to them. They think it's out of this world. Yes, the power of it is out of this world. Yes, it is super magical, but it has nothing to do with the black magic or the woo-woo magic things. I don't even believe in those, and I don't even work with those. And I'm not even an expert in that area, so I don't even talk about it. Now let's get to the method and let's enjoy the power of it. So the first part of this method happens within your mouth, inside your mouth. We're going to do a tongue gesture that is going to help our brain go into the alpha mode faster and easier. So once we do the actual meditation, the actual practice, the actual magic wand, it's going to create a more powerful and amplified results from the whole experience and the whole thing, which you're going to enjoy soon. So you're going to use the tip of your tongue and you're going to roll up your tongue. You're going to stick the tip to the top of your mouth like this. You roll up your tongue and stick the tip to the top of your mouth. That's the first part of this practice. This is going to stimulate a nerve of your brain that is going to help your brain go into alpha mode easier, because for so many of us, it's really hard to go into alpha mode immediately and intentionally. So this is going to help us do this physically and manually. So after you do this, obviously in a very comfortable setting where you're really peaceful, sitting easily and ready to do the whole meditation or method or whatever that you want to call it, you're sitting in a very comfortable setting, you roll up your tongue. The next thing you want to do is that you want to close your eyes as you have your tongue rolled up. You want to close your eyes and you want to start looking towards up and slightly towards right. You don't want to hurt your eyes. You don't want to go all the way up and all the way right. You don't want to hurt your eyes. You want to be sitting in a very comfortable position. So as you have your eyes closed, you're going to look slightly up, slightly to the right, and while you're having your tongue rolled up. Now again, you might be asking me, Shadi, why are we doing these things? Because the whole thing that I do in my life to manifest my dream life is that I try different methods. I use shapes, I use lights, I use numbers, I use the power of earth, the power of moon, the power of sun, the power of my physical body to make every energy that's possibly could help me manifest my dream life connected to each other, And then I use that energy to manifest my dream life. This is how I manifest every single day of my life. And this is how I created my dream life in less than a year. So trust it, believe it, and do it. Doing it is much better than not doing it at all. Just do it, try it, and see the magic for yourself. At the end of the day, this whole world works with energies. And if I could manifest every single part of my life, you could 100% do it too. Everyone who has ever worked with me could have the same power, could activate the same power within themselves. So we're not different. You're human, I'm human. Everyone who has ever worked with me, they're all human beings. So we all have the same power. If you want to learn all my methods, if you want to know exactly how I live my day-to-day life and how I manifest every single dream of mine every single day, how I achieve my dream life in less than a year, how is it that I am a manifestation magnet of my own life, I created an online portal which could give you a lifetime access to every secret that I use in my life, to all my monthly rituals that are updated on the portal every month, and to everything that I do to create the magic in my life. The name of the portal is DIY Your Happy Life Online Course. It's called an online course, but it's not a course. It's a place where people join and I become their lifetime coach and I help them achieve their dream life fast and easy while they're having fun for the rest of their life. They achieve their dream life fast and easy, but then we keep it up, we keep up the power, we amplify the power more and more and more every day, because these secrets are what makes us the manifestation magnets. So if you want to learn all my secrets, if you want to join my tribe, if you want to become a manifestation magnet of your life, check out DIY Your Happy Life online portal or online course below in the description, below this video. You're going to see a link. Click on it. Check it out. There's also a free webinar that's going to give you much more detail about my secrets, how I used it, how people use it. You're going to hear a lot of people who used it and got the results from it. So if you want to watch the free webinar, it's free. You're going to find the link also in the description. Now let's get to the most important part of this method, which is the third part of this method, which is the most beautiful part of this method. The first two parts, you're doing them in a very comfortable position. Your tongue is rolled up, your eyes are closed, you're looking upright slightly in a very comfortable position. The next thing you do is that you're going to imagine, as I was closing my eyes, I just imagined it and it feels magical. You're going to imagine 3 screens. 3 monitors. Imagine 3 TV monitors, 3 screens in front of yourself. One is in the middle, one is on the right, and the other one is on the left. So 3 screens you're going to imagine in front of yourself. These 3 monitors, they represent your past, present, and future. The screen on your right side is your past. The screen in the middle is your present moment, and the screen on the left side is your future. This is how the world works. Right side is our past, middle is our present moment, left side is our future. So you want to bring your future, your ideal future into the present moment as you let your present misery go to the past. This is the whole point of this meditation, this practice, this method. You could do this method once a day, you could do it once a week, you could do it 3 times a day, as many times as you want. As you have your eyes closed, you have the 3 screens in front of you. On the right screen, you're going to imagine your past miserable life. All the things that are negative, all the things that are bothering you about your past, all the things that has been creating a negative impact in your life and you feel like you want to let them go. You're going to imagine a scenario on that screen. Let's say you broke up with your ex and it was really painful. You're going to bring that image on the right screen as you have your eyes closed. So in our example, you're going to imagine yourself and your ex fighting and arguing and ending the relationship and you being really sad. You're going to bring that image on the right screen. On the middle screen, you're going to bring whatever that you have in your life right now and you're not happy about. So that could be your financial situation, that could be your love life, that could be your health, that could be anything that you're not happy about and you want to change. Again, you're going to imagine a scenario on that screen as if you're watching a movie. As you have your eyes closed, as you have your tongue rolled up, as you have your eyeball looking to the right top corner of your eyes, you're going to imagine a present moment of your life that is not pleasant to you. For example, you close your eyes and you imagine yourself really upset about not having enough money, really upset about your relationship, really upset about all the things that you don't want to have in your life, and you are upset and miserable. And now on the left screen that you have imagined for yourself, you're going to imagine your beautiful life, the desired lifestyle that you want to have, that beautiful, financially free, loving, healthy, happy, joyful, all the good things that you want to have. You're going to imagine yourself healthy, living in your dream house, enjoying your time with your love, with your children, with your partner, with your parents, with everyone. You're going to imagine a nice scenario on that screen, and you keep watching it while you're smiling. Now, the screen is on the left, but you're not going to bring your eyeball to the left. You're going to keep your eyeball looking to the right because you want to create that magic of alpha brain in your body. So as you have your eyes closed and you're enjoying whatever you're seeing on that left screen, you're going to bring up your left hand physically. You have your eyes closed, but your physical left hand is going to come up because now you want to move the screens using your hands. You're going to imagine yourself holding the screen from the middle and moving it all the way to the right. So what you're doing with this is that you're moving your current situation, your current sadness, your current negativity to the past. You hold the middle screen and you shift it to the right side. And then, again with your left hand, you're going to hold the left screen. You're going to shift it and bring it to the middle, which is your present moment. So what you did here is that you basically threw out whatever you had in the past. You replace it with what's unpleasant in your present moment. And then you replace your present moment with all the things that you want to have in your life. And don't worry about the left screen being empty. It's okay. After you do this, you no longer have a left screen. It's fine. You just bring it to the middle and then you sit there, enjoy watching whatever that's happening in the middle screen, which is now your present moment, which has been moved from your future, your desired future, to your present moment. You're going to enjoy watching it. You're going to enjoy watching yourself, living your dream life as the best version of yourself. As you have your eyes closed, as your eyeball is still towards up and right slightly, and as your tongue is still rolled up, you're going to watch that scenario for a while. And whenever you feel ready, you're going to open your eyes. You're done with the powerful manifestation. You're done with the powerful method. Now let's see what is it that you could do to amplify the power of this method for yourself. There is something that you could do before or after this practice that's going to create the magic even more powerful in your life. You want to learn that because the two together, it could bring a really good balance in your dream life, and it could really help you create that dream life faster and easier for yourself. But before that, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I love to become friends with you. I'm always there. This is my Instagram account, and if you want to learn more magical ways to amplify all your powers and become a manifestation magnet, again, check out the free webinar below in the description of this video, and check out the details of the DIY Your Happy Life online magical portal. So the next thing that you could do to amplify the power of this method is to watch the video that is going to show up on the link up here, because this is where you're going to learn another method that's going to help you amplify the power of this method. Combined together, they're going to create the magic for you. So before it's too late, go ahead and watch that video, the link that you see on top of the screen somewhere. Watch that video, enjoy it. I love you and I'm rooting for you. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me in the comments. You could message me, you could let me know your questions. If there's any topics that you want me to talk about in my future videos, don't forget to mention them in the comments and I will try to talk about them if I have a knowledge about them. I love you and I wish you an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity. Enjoy this method. Do it for sure because this is going to change your life. I wish you an amazing day filled with love, joy, and happiness and positivity. Goodbye.